Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale with your May 2018 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit includes 2 new collections each month that includes cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So you can have a sampling of new products every month coming your way. When you purchase the Double Shot Kit, you're also going to receive 2 recipe cards for 2 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections. Designed by the design team, it will have cutting and assembly instructions and a color photo of the finished layout, so you'll be ready to scrapbook just as soon as you receive your kits. This month's collections are from Bella Boulevard, Mom Life, and Fancy Pants Designs, The Bright Side. Both have that fun summer feel to it, lots of florals, and perfect to scrapbook just about anything. So let's take a closer look at each one of these. First up, Mom Life from Bella Boulevard. You're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock and a sheet of grapefruit cardstock. Your patterned paper starts with this one called My Tribe. It has the gorgeous florals, and the back side is a 2-toned pink hexagon print. This one called Love You More has all of these fun little drawings on the turquoise background. And the back side is a blue with a grid design in it and kind of a gray circle. This one called House Plants has all of the succulents in these cute little pots. And the back side is a yellow and white checked print. So one more look at your pattern paper. You can tell the nice tone-on-tones would be perfect for any types of photos that you have to scrapbook. Your embellishments will include 1 cardstock sticker sheet from Bella Boulevard that goes with this collection. So there's some borders and some little banners with words. Lots of little icons to get you embellishing your projects. So that's Bella Boulevard, Mom Life. Our next collection, The Bright Side from Fancy Pants, is this fun spring design. This one called Happy Feet has all of these rain boots and different designs, just super cute. The back side is a pink with a dark pink polka dot. This one called The Bright Side is a text print that says look on the bright side over and over again. And the back side is a blue scalloped. This one called Coming Up Roses has these fun little swirl roses and the pinks, and the back side is a green and white striped. So again, you can see great tone colors and lots of great designs to do just about anything with. Your cardstock for this one is 2 sheets of white and 1 sheet of cherry splash cardstock. For your embellishments, you're going to get a yard of twine, 1/8 of a pack of the tags and labels. So these will vary among the kits, but this will give you an idea of some of the labels that you could get. Also, you'll get 1/5 of the puffy stickers, so those will vary, but have circles in the large and the small, hearts in 2 sizes, and then 2 sizes of arrows. And then also 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So you can tell there is a lot of little die cuts and embellishments that you'll get within your kit. So again, the embellishments will all vary, but this is what I received in mine. So you definitely have plenty to cluster up and create your projects. So one more look at your Double Shot Kit for May. Be sure to come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook page to see what the design team's creating, as well as your fellow subscribers, and join in on some of the fun challenges that we have going. If you're not a subscriber to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup and you'll be subscribed and be notified when the new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.